Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's Papa Bale. And what we're looking at here, I like to call it the mirror image. That's what we're going to call it. Because, let's just start with this coil right here. Its mirror image is right over there. This one's got a mirror image right in front of it. We keep on going. This 1mm coil and that 1mm coil, it's just like a mirror image. This coil assembly with a core and that coil assembly with a core. What do we want to call it? Parallel? They're parallel. And then this 14 gauge with that 14 gauge over there. And they're each connected to a different coil. Not each. I should have done it as we went through them, but the 14 gauge and the 1mm over there are connected to, or I might have swapped actually. But two of them are hooked to this one and two of them are hooked to that one. Trigger coils is what I mean. And then we got our two trigger coils, which have two strands in them, which are being used to drive. Everything else is kind of in the series circuit pickup coil for the two trigger coils. Alright, so I'm going to turn this on. Also, we have magnetic bearing. It's a 10-inch rotor. We have two 1/4-inch diameter bearings. And so this will go for a little while, speeding up constantly, and then we'll hit this part where the caps, they're all full. The garbage guy is here. And stuff will start shaking because it'll kick in. Now I'll turn it up. So we're at 25 volts and 1.1 amps in. I haven't even tried to see what if any electricity we get out of this thing. Because the coils are all really, really small. They're small coils. They're not big. The biggest ones are the trigger coils, and they don't have any wire in them that will generate electricity. Anything substantial, anyway. So yeah, that's pretty neat. I might make some small coils that are simpler, because each one of these ones have 20 wires, 20 strands, and the big one and the little one, or I should say the wider one and the longer one. The longer one's actually bigger. But anyway, these are all hooked in a series circuit. It's like we go little one first and then to the outer one. I think it's great. It's really spectacular. And this is the fastest it's going to go because that's as much as I can put into it. And you know, there's imbalances and impurities in the whole thing. So, and you know what? I like it like that. It's cool like that. And hopefully we can clean it up a little bit. I'm looking for ways to condense. I mean, I've got it so I don't have to keep bending my legs on my transistors. So we got the transistors going in there. Turn it on power. And with 2 cores on the rotor here, it slows down pretty quickly. But that's awesome. So this trigger coil has 2 transistors, one for each strand. And then one strand is hooked in a series circuit to one of each type of coil. So one of these, one of those, one of those, one of those. But they're not, I don't think I hooked it up directly like that. I hooked it up in a 120 first. And then I added the 2 other type, the 1mm and the 14 gauge. But these are a 180 degree circuit and then 120 degrees from each one of those 180 points. And then the other ones are like purely whatever's left over can go through there. I think it works out pretty good. I'm going to turn it up one more time just to see if we can't get a better perspective of the caps when they kick in. So we got 2.7 volts, 500 farad. There it goes. That's awesome. All right, thank you very much. Peace out. Have a good day. Bye now.